So at the time of recording the video, we can see that gold is trading with low volume. There is not much craziness going on in the market right now. But we should not forget that today is Friday, so anything may happen. As I always say, my dear friends, today is Friday, so please do not fry your account because Fridays can bring unexpected volatility, unexpected moves in the market. So please be careful, especially during the US session. If you look at the economy calendar, you won't find anything. But yes, without news also, there can be craziness. And gold is full of surprises, as we all know it. So please be careful during the US session. Because if you see that, okay, there is a crazy move in the market and you're a beginner, you want to avoid, then please shut down the laptop and take rest. Spend some good times with your friends and family. But in case market brings heavy selling pressure or high amount of profit booking, if you want to ride the trend of the market, go for it, but please be careful and follow proper risk management. Okay, now let's talk about 4850. So my dear friends, as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, 4850, yeah, it acted as resistance, and yeah, we discussed about the possibility of profit booking, not profit booking, liquidity sweep. Okay, and it happened. So around 4870, okay, market reverse, but yes, actual level was 4850. So market knew it very well that there will be sellers around this area. So market, okay, just took out all the sellers around this area. When all the retailers were gone, okay, it started the actual move. That's why I recommended in our previous video and also in the groups also that take a sell, okay, when gold will be below 4850. Now we can see that gold is trading around 4800 area. So volume is going to play a major role for the day. So if market remains like this, means low volume, low volatile market, the next support will be around 4760, 4752. The first blue line that you see here, okay, is the first zone. So 60 to 52 is a big level. So when market will enter 60 59 area, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes and observe the market. When you'll find market taking support, hit the buy button. But as we all know, gold is full of surprises. So in case we see that market is dropping with red candles, if you see that there is a big red candle at 4760, what you should do? Obviously you should avoid buy, isn't it? So in that case, okay, your second support will be around 4743, 4742. The black line that you see here is the second support. If this level fails, okay, then we have this next support around 4342. If you see market taking support around 4342, you can look for a buy. But in case of high selling pressure, because today is Friday, if you see that there is a big red candle, okay, and there is no stopping, then obviously you should not worry about, okay, buy at all. For example, if you see a candle like this, if you see candles like this, then obviously the support is not going to work because these are minor levels and trend is the most important thing in the market, isn't it? So in that case, we can look for a sell below 43, or we can look for sell below 4241. Okay, means one level, two trading opportunities. In case of high selling pressure, because today is Friday, we can look for a sell below it. But if market behaves normally, we can look for buy around these two levels, 6052 and 4342. Okay, but there's a high chance that only one is going to work. And the next best support on the chart of gold is on a 4700. 4700 is the best support. Okay, if all the levels fail, then yeah, if market takes support, we can look for a buy. But yes, today is Friday, so the weekly closing is going to play a major role. And if market goes up from here, okay, before the US session, we have two support levels, 4820 and 4832. These are two minor support levels that you can expect to work before the US session. Why US session? Because the US session brings volume. If market goes up with a big green candle, they are not going to work. But before US session, there is a high chance that market will remain like this. So if you see market reversing from 20, 32, 33 area, we can look for a sell. Okay, so you can see the two dotted lines here. So these are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold, where we can look for a sell position before the US session. And after US session, okay, if market goes up, we can look for a sell below 4850. Same concept, the liquidity sweep. After sweeping all the liquidity, if market comes down, okay, we can look for a sell position. Means, let me show you. Suppose you see that gold is going up, okay, gold is going up like this, okay, and gold crosses 50 level, okay, so when it will be down, okay, then we can look for a sell below 50. Means just like the previous liquidity sweep, when market reversed from 70 and market crossed 50, okay, so this was the selling level. So here again we have a selling level below 50, okay, when market will be coming up from above, okay. So be careful, and as I said, if you see that market is going crazy, logic, okay, logic is far away, okay, from the chart, then obviously you should stop trading, okay, where you should trade when the market will be back to normal next week. So be careful and trade wisely, trade properly. Where is the stop button?